In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. This is how the scene looks like, and it's basically two sets of sphere exploding by using rigid body physics. I have an area light overlapping with a large sphere that is blocking all the environment lights. When the camera is placed in a correct position, the area light will generate a weird effect. The camera is using a lowered focal length to stretch the meshes. We can render the scene without using the focal length, but I would recommend using one because that looks better. Let's create a sphere and use cell fracture to break up the mesh. Please press F3 to manually load the cell fracture add-on. We'll need to add rigid body physics to one of the broken up meshes, and copy the setting to the rest. We can also use a force field, but I won't be using that in this tutorial. This is how we copy the rigid body physics. The idea is to break two sets of the same mesh, and render that outcome. Please test the settings of cell fracture to get the best looking result similar to this. This is the effect of the camera's focal length. I'll show you the area light setting and the rest of the setup details. I have used two different materials for two sets of cell fracture meshes. Here are the composite node details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.